Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen today, and today we're gonna cook pumpkin rice. So I already have some pumpkin where I already washed and it was in the freezer, so I take it out and I slice it up. So I'm gonna cook pumpkin rice. So I'm gonna use half of white onion, half of red bell pepper, half of green bell pepper, 3 stalks of spring onion, 4 cloves of garlic. I have some rice over here where I already washed it already. I have 4 small juice cup of rice. So today in Selvin Kitchen we're gonna cook pumpkin rice. So guys, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna cut up the half of red bell pepper. So I'm gonna use the bell pepper to cook the pumpkin rice. So I'm gonna cut it up very small. Don't want it too big. With your finger. When you're cutting up bell pepper, the knife is very sharp. So that is half of red bell pepper and the green bell pepper. So half of green bell pepper. So I already washed everything already. Then I'm gonna cut up 3 stalks of spring onion. So that is 2 stalks of spring onion. I'm gonna use half of white onion. So if you guys never tried pumpkin rice before, just give it a go. And in Selvin Kitchen, we always have something new to cook. So that is half of white onion. So when you cut up, slice it up. Do it like that. You want to cut it a little bit smaller. So that is half a white onion.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here.
So the onion and the bell pepper and the garlic and everything, they're in this pot for the last 2 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in my pumpkin. Give that a stir. So today in Selvin Kitchen, we're cooking pumpkin rice. Gonna add a little bit of salt, and half a teaspoon of salt. Give that a nice stir. So now I'm just gonna add a little touch of black pepper. Half a teaspoon of all-purpose. Give that a stir. So now I'm just gonna add some water to it. So I'm gonna leave this to cook for around 10-15 minutes. So guys, I'm just gonna check this pumpkin. This pumpkin been cooking for the last 10 minutes. Sorry, steam on my lens. So I'm just gonna use this crusher. I use my crushed potato. I just mash them like that. Smash the pumpkin. So today in Selvin kitchen, we're cooking pumpkin rice. See that? Just smash it like that. So we're cooking pumpkin rice. We have some cabbage over there steaming. So today in Selvin kitchen, we're cooking pumpkin rice. So everything is boiled out right now. So now I'm just gonna add in the rice. So that's it right there. So this pumpkin been cooking and been crushed. So now I'm just gonna add in the rice. This rice I better wash it. I washed it 3 times already. So guys, make sure when you're cooking rice, you wash your rice at 3 to 2 times. Some people don't wash rice, but I love to wash it because you don't know who's prepared the rice, you don't know where the rice coming from, you don't know what's going on. So please wash your rice, guys, when you're cooking rice. So now we're just gonna give it a little stir. So you want to get all of that pumpkin, all of that onion, all of that spring onion, all of that garlic, everything. So just mix up the rice like that and turn down your stove, you burn on a low temperature. So you don't want to turn it up too high, you want to turn it very low because you don't want the rice to burn. So I ain't gonna put in no more water more than that. So that is enough water. So that's gonna make it steam right there. So today in Selvin kitchen we're cooking pumpkin rice. So I'm gonna give that around 10 minutes. Hi guys, I have some chicken here, plantain, steamed cabbage, then my pumpkin rice. I put the file paper over it and I turn on the stove very low. So it is steaming. I'm gonna give it another 5 minutes. So guys, in Selvin kitchen, pumpkin rice today. So please check out my video. Please check out my rest of my video on my channel. And if you're watching my video, people, and you don't subscribe, take a time out and please subscribe and please share and like and please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. I have a lot more recipe coming out. Selvin kitchen, always smiling. So guys, this is all finished now. This is my pumpkin rice. Look at it, people. A beautiful color I have. That's my pumpkin rice. So now we're just gonna dish out some lunch. Okay, it's 12 o'clock now. Hi guys, this is all finished. This is my pumpkin rice. So I serve my pumpkin rice with some barbecue chicken, with some steamed cabbage, some fried plantain. So in Selvin kitchen today is pumpkin rice served with barbecue chicken and steamed cabbage and fried plantain. Guys, in Selvin kitchen we're always doing something new. So if you're watching my YouTube page and you don't subscribe, please hit that notification bell so when I post a video you guys will get it. And please check out my rest of my videos then. So guys, please take care. So I see you guys in the next video. Selvin kitchen.
There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you. Not doing well, don't know where you are, 'cause you're not here. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would, when nothing really that's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would, I would, I would, I would. We talk on the phone